Tension may be in Governor Hope Uzodinma's camp as court hears case seeking his removal tomorrow. There could be tension in the camp of the Imo State Governor, Senator Hope Uzodinma, as the Federal High Court in Abuja is set to hear the case filed by Reform and Advancement Party RAP, which is praying the court to remove the governor from office on the ground that he was not a candidate of any party or any political party during the 2019 governorship election in Imo State. As such, could not have won the election. This claim is premised on the Supreme Court's judgment of the APC primaries involving Uche Nwosu, the son-in-law of former governor of the state, Senator Rochas Okorocha, and Senator Hope Uzodinma, where the court declared Uche Nwosu the legitimate candidate of the APC in the 2019 governorship election in Imo State. However, Uche Nwosu was subsequently disqualified by the court for having been nominated by both the All Progressive Congress APC and Action Alliance AA. With the case set to be heard tomorrow by the Federal High Court in Abuja, there could be tension in the governor's camp as no one can tell for sure what the outcome of this suit could be. Although the governor's camp have tried to downplay the seriousness of the suit, with some claiming that the case is already dead on arrival, considering the fact that election matters on time bound. However, it should be noted that the suit is not an election petition, and as such, the governor's camp could be downplay the suit at their own peril, as RAP and its candidates for the election in the person of Barrister Kingdom Okere did not file a petition but approached the court for a legal interpretation of our own judgment. Thank you for listening to this news. It is true there may be tension of a truth. It is clear and it is already showing in Uzodinma. It's already showing. Yes, he should feel it. He should feel that tension, and it should not only be a tension, but it should be something that will take him out of office completely. In fact, I wonder what's going to be the celebration, or how the celebration is going to be like in Imo State as soon as Uzodinma is taken out of office. The celebration is going to be like the death of Abacha when he was in power. How he was announced dead. Then when he was in power, you will see. I remember then I was very young and I was very, very small then, but I have my sense of belonging, knowing what is happening in the Nigerian government. You understand? So the moment I was just playing, and before you know it, I heard the noise. A big celebration, a very big celebration around. People are celebrating. Abacha is dead. Abacha Tiku. Abacha don't die. Things like that. I was. Abacha is dead. Oh my God! What a celebration! You need to see the celebration. Everywhere was just filled up with jubilation and all around. But the same is going to happen to Uzodinma as soon as the courts declare him out of office. I tell you, you can imagine. Believe you me, 99% of people in Imo State will celebrate his removal. Am I talking about the Imo State alone? What about the other states? Even here in Lagos State, a lot of people are already waiting for the removal of Hope Uzodinma, because we have plenty of Imolites who base in Lagos, who have investment in Lagos, that knows about the tricks that Uzodinma played using the appeal court to win That's it. Of a truth, it may be possible that Uzodinma was never a member or the true aspirant for APC. It's very, very possible since the court itself was the one that declared Uche Nwosu the real aspirant of APC. But then, it was so stupid of Uche Nwosu after making himself an aspirant of APC, now went back and still got the ticket for Action Alliance. Politics don't work that way. Who advised him that? He has his in-law to talk to him to advise him on what to do. So why did he make that mistake? He would have been the governor of Imo State now. If not for the big error that he committed. It's a big error and a very big blunder. So I am not surprised that this is happening because Uche Nwosu called this for himself. He caused it. If he has remained humble where he is, he has remained submissive where he is, this wouldn't have happened. You can't be the person representing two parties. It's impossible. That's why they disqualified you. I just pray that the court see reason with your appeal and the appeal of Barrister Okere. Yes, I think the both of them has filed a genuine case, but then there should be fact coming out of the case that they have filed, or else shame will become theirs, of which I don't pray. I don't pray for that. I tell you, Uche Nwosu really need to pray before going, and the Supreme Court on their own part need to be realistic in their judgment. They should try to see things in a very transparent way, in a genuine way. They must not be biased. They must not take the fact that Uzodinma has given them 22 jeeps, one for each judges, and give a judgment that is not fair. My dear, the whole world are watching. The whole world are watching. The whole world have already made their comments concerning their first judgment. Do you know what their conclusion was? Their conclusion was that Nigeria is a country with no law. That is after the judgment passed by the Supreme Court, by the Appeal Court, that determined and made Uzodinma the true winner of the 2019 election, of which the international observers that came then to observe the judgment discovered that no, that Uzodinma shouldn't be. So going back, they declare Nigeria to be a country with no law. So now, this time now, they have the opportunity, the appeal court have the opportunity to get that burdening given to them reconciled. They need to get it reconciled, because definitely they too will have that opportunity to be invited to this international country where these international observers will be, and you will see what they are going to say to Nigerian judges. They will be making reference. They will be making reference to the election judgments given by them. So they need to make it up this time. They need to get that error reconciled with immediate effect. They must not take because of what Uzodinma has given to them and spoil the good name that they have been protecting for years. If they really know what it took them to become a judge, they will work and do the right thing, and they will refuse to be biased. So in fact, my viewers, you really need to come into this issue, because your contribution will really go a long way. So please don't forget to leave them behind. Click on the subscription button as well as bell buttons to get more updates. Thank you.